Hello everyone. So we completed first poem Pretty Game. Today we shall start second lesson. Its name is Go and Come. What is the name? Go and Come. Let us see the lesson. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means झोपड़ी, hut. Cottage means झोपड़ी. One poor boy lived in a cottage. Pretty, pretty means very beautiful. He lived in a pretty cottage or झोपड़ी we call. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Around that cottage, in that house, there was a lovely garden, very beautiful garden, and different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. Many plants were there. So as there are many plants in the garden, what we have to do? We have to work there. How? We have to water the plant. We have to look them carefully, whether they are growing properly or not. If grasses are there, we have to cut them. We have to weed them. Okay. The plants had to be watered every day. Okay. They had to be given manure from time to time. So they should be watered every day. And they should be given manure. Manure means khat. Khat. Yes, we know khat. In shet, in your farm, khat is given to the small plants. Given na? Why? For their proper growth. Here also manure was given. Manure means what? Khat. And they had to be cut and pruned at the right time. They should be cut, properly cut and pruned at the right time. Removed. Cut means removed. Sorry, pruned means pruned. Pruned means removed. Remove, to remove. Prune means to remove. Unnecessary part should be removed. Unnecessary part should be cut. Time to time it should be happen. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Weeding means the grass part which does not allow plant to grow properly. That is why that grass part should be removed. That grass part should be pruned. That is called weeding. That is called weeding. 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 Weed means to remove grass around the plants. Every day, everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. In that family, everybody cared that garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. In that picture, you can see he had a very strict uncle. You can see this is the strict uncle. He came there. Yes, he came there in his house for living. And the uncle believed in hard work and discipline. You know discipline. In our school also you have to maintain discipline. Na? Means you have the teacher who asks you to maintain discipline means that teacher is very strict. Yes, here also his uncle was very strict. Why? Because he liked discipline and hard work. Discipline and hard work. In our school also, teacher tells you to study hard, to maintain discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around the house, and he saw the boy was playing around the house. Who was playing? The boy was playing around the house. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Little boy, you are good at your work. Who said? That uncle said. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. Your garden needs weeding. Your garden needs removing that weeds or that grass. Go and do that work. Who said? Uncle. He said very strictly. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day, and he did not like to weed on that day. He did not like to weeding. He did not like that weeding on that day. I can't do it. He said. Who said? That little boy said. I can't do it. What can't he do? Weeding. What is by weeding? I told you, removing grass which is around the plants. Huh? Because of those weeding, those plants cannot grow properly. That is why it is very important to remove that weeding or that grass. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. Ah, you can do it. Well, I don't want to. Now, just now, said the little boy. Oh, no, I don't want to do it. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. This is an order. You get up and go and study. Like that, your parents say, na? Go and get up. Here also. Go and get up and work hard. Work in that garden. Who said? Who said? Uncle said. Here, this boy was telling different reasons that I will not go for wedding. But the uncle said, no, no, you have to go. And you have to work in that garden. You have to do wedding. The uncle was himself a hardworking man. And how was uncle? He was himself hardworking. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He went his another room, that uncle. Uncle went to another room. Yes. And he was doing his work. Yes, the boy. Yet he was still in that place. He was very silent. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. He felt his uncle was not right. His uncle was wrong. Unfair. Unfair means wrong. He felt his uncle was not right. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and eyes welled up. His chin, his chin would, and the boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. When mother said, I will help you. Yes, I will join with you. And mother said, let's go. And boy became very happy. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and a very good time together. Both of the mother and that boy, they weeded the garden beautifully, very beautifully. And how did they spend the time? By chatting, by talking, by laughing, by working. And in this way, they completed that wedding. Okay, here we have finished this story. Okay, so how did you like this story? Very nice. In homework, you read this story 2 times. Okay, and if possible, you tell me the story. Okay, in your own words. So till then, bye bye.